Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make potato lollipops. It's very easy to make and almost all the ingredients are mostly available at home. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. So let's make the potato lollipops. First we will make the mixture for this. What you required for our potato lollipops are some boiled and peeled potatoes. Need to grate this. Once potato is grated and done, let's add in finely chopped onion and then 1 to 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, 2.5 tablespoons of freshly homemade breadcrumbs which I made by grinding small pieces of bread in the grinder. 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Amchur powder. If you don't have Amchur powder, then you can replace it with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then salt to taste. We will mix them together with gentle hands and knead it like a dough. Now I grease my hands with oil so that the mixture doesn't stick to my palms. Now we will take small amount of potato mixture and roll it them lightly. The potato balls are done and ready. We will take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida and put little water at a time and make a smooth mixture. The consistency of this mixture needs to be like double cream. It should be of dropping consistency like soup, not very thin, not very thick. So next step, let's take some fresh breadcrumbs. To this add in 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Then mix it well. Then dip potato balls in the mixture, coat this well and drop it in the breadcrumbs and coat this well and press this lightly. Let's keep this aside and similarly let's start processing the other potato balls. With this, our potato balls are crumbs and ready. These now need to be frozen for 5 to 10 minutes before frying. If you need to store this or if you wish to store this, what you could do is portion these and keep it in a sealed and airtight container in the freezer. Our potato balls are well frozen and now let's fry them. For this, I have already heated the pan at medium heat. I will put a toothpick and you can see the bubbles. It means the oil is ready to fry. Put few balls at a time and let them cook till they are golden brown from all the sides. Please ensure that do not overcrowd the balls and also turn them only after some time to avoid breaking. Do not lower the flame at any point in time, because two things would happen. Either potato balls would break in oil or they will start absorbing the oil. Once these turn nice and golden brown, let's transfer these onto a tissue paper. Now it's time to get our lollipops ready. You can use toothpicks as I am showing here. Serve hot with tomato ketchup or green chutney. So try this out and let me know the feedback. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Keep watching. Thank you.